Hey, what's up guys? In this video we are going to show you how to recover Gmail account without recovery email and phone number. In case if you have lost access to your Gmail account, either someone has hacked your Gmail account or you are facing two-step verification issue, still you can regain access to your Gmail account. Before moving further, like this video, tap on subscribe button, tap on bell icon, tap on all to get all the notification for the latest uploaded videos. So first of all, you have to open Play Store application from your phone. Download and install the Stragon browser. After installation, minimize from here. Now hold the Google app. Tap on app information. Tap on permission. Tap on location. Tap on don't allow. Tap on don't allow anyway. Minimize this one. Now hold the Google Chrome browser. Tap on app information. Tap on permission. Tap on location. Tap on don't allow. Tap on don't allow anyway. Now go back. Here in the bottom, you will see browser app. Tap on it and then select the Stragon browser. Then minimize from here. Now open the Stragon browser and then you will see an interface like this. Then tap on Google and then tap on sign in. And then you will land here. And here you have to enter the Gmail account that you want to recover. And then tap on next. Then here Google will ask you to enter your password. You have already forgotten your password. Simply tap on forgot password. Tap on try another way. And then Google has sent a verification code to your recovery Gmail account. You are being asked to enter that code here. If you know your recovery email address and have received the verification code, simply enter it here to recover your Gmail account. If you do not have access to your recovery email account, simply tap on try another way. And then here Google will ask you about two-step verification. Either you have lost your phone or you don't have access to your phone number, simply tap on I don't have my phone. And then you will land here. And here you will see kind of error like this. Could not sign you in. Now here you have to keep one thing in your mind. You don't have to tap on try again. If you will tap on try again and you will try again and again, your Google account will be locked. Simply minimize from here. Now open setting application from your phone. Scroll down and then you will see Google option. Tap on it and then you will land here. And here you will see Google services. At the top right side you will see three dots. Tap on it. And then here help option will appear. Tap on it. Now here in the bottom you will see search help option. Tap on it and then type. And then you will see how to recover your Google account or Gmail. Tap on it. And then you will land here. Scroll down. And then you will see tips to complete account recovery step. Tap on it. Scroll down. Here in the bottom you will see avoid getting locked out of your Google account. Tap on it. Scroll down. Now here you will see if you sign in with just a password. Tap on it. Then you will see sign in with your phone instead of a password. Tap on it. Scroll down. And then you will see learn how to see devices with account access. Tap on it. Scroll down. Here in the bottom you will see Gmail security and privacy settings. Tap on it. And then you will land here. Now top left side you will see menu bar. Tap on it. Now tap on Gmail. Scroll down. Here in the bottom you will see help option. Tap on it. Now select the first one. Then tap on OK. And then you will land here. And here you will see Google account. Tap on it. Scroll down. And then you will see account recovery. Tap on it. Then you will see change or reset your password. Tap on it. Scroll down. And then you will see someone changed your password. Tap on it. And then you will land here. And here you will see recover your account. Tap on it. And then you will see account recovery page. Tap on it. Select the first one, then tap on OK. And then you will land here. And here you will see account recovery. Recover your Google account. Now enter the Gmail account that you want to recover. And then tap on next. And then here success option will appear. Further you will see here two options. Update password, continue. Simply tap on update password. And then you will land here on password change dashboard. Now here you have to set a strong password. First of all you have to decide your new password. And then you have to confirm your new password. And then tap on save password. Now top right side you will see profile icon. Tap on it. Now you will see that your Gmail account has been fully recovered and is signed in. Now quickly go to the account management section and update your mobile number and recovery email. The benefit of this is that if you ever forget your Gmail password in the future, you will be able to recover it very easily. Like this video and subscribe my channel for more useful videos. Thank you.